perfectly pollinated. Hey everyone, we are going to harvest the corn today and probably try to figure out why the cantaloupe's dying. Let's see. So here's, and we need to hunt for squash bugs too. That's ridiculous. It's gotten really bad out here. Okay, so here's a bunch of corn here and here. It's kind of hard to tell when corn's ready. It's supposed to, like, all the silks turn brown and then it kind of leans away from the stalk. I don't even know how we're going to reach all this corn. This one definitely looks done. All right, let's open one up. I was also worried about there being a bunch of earworms in here. This is great. I neglected to pollinate the silks, and so the windstorms have been doing it for me, and only a little bit not being pollinated right here because each silk is attached to a kernel, so every silk has to be pollinated. So even though this is not completely perfect, this is a win in my book. I wonder if I waited too long. What? This thing's huge. It's disgusting and ugh, yuck. It's disgusting. It's gross, Lukey. Ew. I put it in the trash and changed my glove. It's berries. And all the bees. Oh, I have to come over there and get those. Oh, they're over there. And these will be ready soon. I have a feeling this one's way too far gone. It might be. I wonder, can I just boil it and it'll soften back up? I guess the shrivellies have been on too long. So there was smut on both of these, so I just pulled the whole stalk and hopefully not spread it. more smut in there. Dang it. Oh, that scared me. Ah! Yeah, one bite. Good, right? Yeah. So I heard that pulling the husk off corn was easier when you just boil the whole husk. That was pretty easy, but I guess that was a really small one. It would have been easy anyways. I didn't. I should have pulled off the bigger one to try. Let's just try this one. Let that cool for a sec. See if it's easier. Oh, it's hot. I guess the silks didn't. It's hot. Oh. The silks didn't stick as bad. Okay, so there's that. And then we just grab one that's been soaking in hot salt water. That was pretty easy too. The color is better on that one than on these ones that boiled. Did I boil them too long? I'm just boiling them so I can eat them quickly. They're awfully tough. Wondering if I boiled too long. I'm not a corn expert. Alexa, how long should you boil corn?
It is recommended to boil corns for 5 minutes to 10 minutes in boiling water on the stove. Once the water has boiled, turn off the heat and cover.
They boiled for longer than that. Oops. Oh no. Ooh, these have been boiling for much longer. I've got a whole mess going on here. Boil your corn too long, it'll turn tough and chewy. So I'm pretty sure I did that here. Oopsies. Basically, this is tough and firm to the touch, and this is not, probably because it was in the husk. But for 5 to 10 minutes, boil your corn, or you can put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes in the husk, and then peel it apart and it'll be fine. If you're going to store it, then boil it for just a minute to blanch it, put it in an ice bath, which I haven't done yet, but I'm going to, and then freeze it. And I'm going to do that with some, and yeah, still got that over there. And my company and I ate some corn at the table there. So yeah, I'm just going to deal with all this, and yeah, freeze some, keep some in the fridge. Well, y'all have a wonderful day. I am going to put up some videos for you to watch, and feel free to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. I think I already said that. And I'm going to deal with my mess, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright, get these in the freezer in a few minutes. Big old mess. Okay, that was just a PS. Showing you, put 4 in here, ice water, and just rotating through. That way these only boil for about a minute or so, not too terribly long. And then straight to the ice water. Okay, bye now.